when you talk about the creation of the project tasks, one as a project manager, when you get a contract signed, the project task creation is a big pain. Okay. What Microsoft is trying to do with this Copilot feature is it's trying to club some keywords when you trying to create a project, and you mentioned some description. It picks those up and tries to create an initial draft of the project for you, which can be, of course, edited later on. So this is one good feature that, sometimes when we create a project plan, we forget some tasks which are basics and are needed when the project plan has to be done. So let's look at that feature in action. For that, I have logged into one of my environments and I will just go to the projects tab. And for that, we'll click on the new projects to create a new project. What I will do is I'll create the project, let's say robotics, engineering, construction. It's a construction project, first of all. So they are shifting to a new building and they want a construction projects to be done. I'm creating that project. So I'll try to keep the spelling mistakes as less as possible because the AI might not do a good job then. So after giving the name, I'll create a description of basically what all I need in that project. Okay. So um, we need, sorry, robotics engineering needs 4 towers with 2 elevators and a huge garden. So let's keep it now again. Yeah. So what happens is when you try to put some name, it combines the name and the description and pick up those keywords and creates the tasks or the project plan for you. So let me also try to select a customer, maybe some customer. Okay, let's pick up proMX itself if it is, but technically it'll be robotics engineering. Now I'll save this. So once you save this project, meanwhile, on the ribbon button, you will start soon seeing the Copilot preview because it is in preview now. It is not yet 100% out. So you see this Copilot preview, which has come up. You can see a task plan that is visible. So when I click on that, you see it is collecting the data with on the basis of the name and the description. It'll compute some things and then start preparing the project plan. So what I forgot to tell you is how to enable these features, because it's before you start using it you need to enable them. Okay, so after this is done, we will go and show you how to enable that feature. Yeah, so if you see the messages are also pretty awesome. They come and I think, yeah, I think it is now generated. Okay. Okay. If you see here, there are this project tower construction is created. I did not do anything. It just picked up from there the framework construction, the finishing work, the elevator installation, assembly, garden development, planting selection. All these tasks have been picked up automatically. The only thing that you need to do is refurbish based on certain things that you want to add. The more better the description, the more better the project plan. That's the deal. Okay. So now first, before we move on to the next topic, this is the first one that I wanted to show you. Let's go and see where exactly you can enable these features in your area. Go to the settings and then you can go to the parameters. In the parameters, you have a default parameter setting that you can open up. You have the feature control tab where you can click. At this moment, I have enabled the Copilot feature. That is why you are seeing disable the Copilot preview feature. So once you enable the Copilot feature is enabled, you can disable the Copilot feature if you don't want that to be working anymore in the project. So this was my first topic, how to create the project task automatically creating using the Copilot feature.